guys, thank you guys for tuning back in with me today, taking time out your day, joining me at Sharmone's Kitchen. I appreciate you guys. Today guys, we're going to be making stuffed cabbage. You got it. Simple, good, healthy meal. Today I'm making it with turkey burger. You can use ground beef, ground round, but today I'm using turkey burger. You can use brown rice. I'm using white rice. I have marinara sauce. I have my seasonings. I have 3 teaspoons of seasoning salt. I have 3 teaspoons of pepper.
3 teaspoons of pepper.
I have 3 teaspoons of parsley. And I have 4 teaspoons of garlic powder. This is going to be delicious. Now I do have panko crumbs, guys, on the side. If you want to use the egg, you use your panko crumbs. And I have 1/3 cup of panko crumbs if you want to incorporate an egg. Panko crumbs will bring it and make it stick together. But we're going to set this to the side today. I'm just giving you options of what you can use. So I gave you the ingredients, okay? I have a whole cabbage. And you're going to boil the cabbage for about a good 5 minutes. You're going to take the cabbage and you're going to boil it. Make sure the water is over. You don't want to get it real soggy. You just want it enough where you can break the leaves off, okay? And you go ahead and you get your cabbage. And I'm going to show you how to cut it up and get those rolls going, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the cabbage first, okay? You're going to go ahead and cut out the bottom of the cabbage, the hard part. Cut that out first, okay? You can either cut it out this way with a V, or you can cut it this way. I'm kind of comfortable with cutting it this way, guys. You want to get the hard part out. We're going to put that to the side. And you want to, then you can go ahead and start cutting the V, okay? To make sure that you use a cutting board, something stable, where you won't cut yourself, okay? I always like to cook. When I'm explaining, I like to tell the beginning cooks, okay? You want to make sure you get that cut out. And make sure that the hard part is gone. I'm going to take that and put that to the side. Okay guys, so I put the cabbage to the side and I'm going to go ahead and start showing you how to mix your mixture to get them cabbage rolls going, okay? Okay, so like I said, I have my turkey burger. I have a pound of fresh ground turkey. And I'm going to go ahead and incorporate my rice. I have cooked rice, halfway cooked rice. I cooked the rice for about a good 15 minutes. Some people like to use uncooked, but I prefer to cook to make sure you don't end up with no crunchy rice. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. So we got our mixture already mixed up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the cabbage roll. So I like to take the bottom of my baking dish. Sorry, don't forget your baking dish. Depends on how many rolls you're planning on making. Just a few smaller, but more, you need a bigger baking dish, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and layer the bottom of the baking dish with the marinara sauce. So let's go ahead and get into how to do the rolls. Move a couple things back here. So you're going to take the cabbage and you're going to start just picking off the leaves, okay? If you want it thicker, you can, but you can take one cabbage. See that? You're going to take one cabbage roll and you're going to just stuff it. Take it, put as much meat as you want, and you're going to take it and you're going to put it right in the middle. See that? And then you're going to take the cabbage roll and you're going to roll it. Take it and roll it, tuck it, and you're going to place it right in the baking dish. Okay. One other thing I like to do to not let cabbage really go to waste, I also like to take some of the cabbage and layer it around so you can have extra cabbage to eat if you want. Just regular cabbage. See that? See how easy that cabbage come off? Delish, guys. Delish. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do another roll for you guys. Like mine's kind of saucy. I like to use the little sauce. So you want to make sure, however you do it, you want to make sure your sauce is all over. And from there, guys, you just keep on rolling. I want to show you guys one more. Want to just keep layering however many you can fit into your dish. And so I'm going to continue and then I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, so now that I have gotten the cabbage rolls rolled all up, so I'm going to take the rest of my marinara sauce and we're going to pour it all over the cabbage rolls, okay? So I don't like my cabbage rolls dry. Trust me. This is delicious. Now that we have completed that, last thing we have to do now, guys, is just to slide them in the oven. I have my oven set at 375, 50 minutes to an hour, so that your cabbage can soften up and everything can come together. Let's go ahead and get it slid in the oven. Slide in the oven. And I'll show you the finishing results when we come back. Okay guys, we're back. Check this out. You got those spices, and what I did, I just added a little bit of parsley to give it some design. You got the flavors marinate together. You got that good cabbage that I baked for an hour. 1 hour, guys, so the cabbage can get soft. My oh my. Let me go ahead and show you the inside of it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all taste it through the camera. Look at that. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. My piece. Delish. Make sure the cabbage and everything is together. One of the reasons why I like using the marinara sauce, because it gives it a sweet flavor to it without you adding any sugar to your sauce to make it sweet. Delicious. Thank you guys again for tuning in with me making this recipe. I appreciate you. Y'all be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to Sharmone Kitchen. Share it. Make this recipe. Let me know how it worked out for you. You and your family be blessed. From my family to y'all's. Have a blessed one.